Open your heart, come join the fun. The secret of taste has just begun.